The quality of prosperity is something that so many people search for. And I was wondering, when you infuse prosperity into the items in your Avinash Infused shop, what can people hope to expect those energies to bring into their life?
See, prosperity is something that happens very naturally. Like all divine quality is very natural. So naturally everything expands and grows. It's natural. So prosperity expands, towards whatever you're trying to achieve. It basically, instead of failing and giving up on something, it makes you endure, makes you hang in there, makes you push through. It makes you succeed, and all the blockages, emotional blockages, the doubt, it clears it out, and any other obstacles, it kind of naturally moves it away, and it allows an opening for prosperity to come. So that's really the divine quality, of prosperity in a person's life.